Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 10, right? Like this. Hide it. When you hover it, it will be shown, and then once you remove your mouse, it will be hidden. So that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Now hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload the new tutorial. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started. Now to do that, just come to your taskbar right here. Come to your taskbar, right, and then just right click on it, and then click on taskbar setting. Once you click on that, and then this will be open up, right? So now to do that, you can just click on, come here to where it's written automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So as you can see, mine is turned on since my taskbar is like it is hidden. So if yours is off, it will probably be off like that. If you turn it off, and then it will not be hidden, it will be like this, right, fixed at the bottom, right? So if you want to like turn it off, you should turn this on. So yeah, that's how you can turn your mouse on or off. Yeah, but I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a new tutorial. With that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.